Hi, I'm Jen. Are you new to implementing data analytics in your business or organization? I'll give you 2 key data analytics mistakes to avoid based on my 15 years of experience and working in this field. These are mistakes that almost everyone makes and cost you time, money, clients, and resources. They can also kill your analytics efforts before they ever have a chance to take off. Let's jump straight into those 2 key data analytic mistakes to avoid, and then we'll talk a bit more about how to avoid them and make sure that you're getting the most out of your data analytics efforts. Mistake number 1. Underestimating the capabilities of the data that you have. Many times when a new analytics related tool or system is implemented in the business tends to treat it as though it's just there for reporting. Business analytics and data analytics should focus on providing you with information that lets you take action. Sure, it's interesting to know what's happening, it's interesting to see the trends in your business, but if you ultimately don't do anything with that information, then usually it's more of a waste of time than anything else. Even taking the concrete decision that you're not going to change anything is at least using that information to drive a decision on whether to stay the same or make a change. This is equally as important to small and mid-sized businesses as it is to large multinational corporations. Maybe even more so. Smaller companies often feel the costs, both in time and money, of implementing a new tool, hiring a new employee, or hiring a consultant to focus on the data within their business. So if you're doing this and then you're not using the information, there's probably better places you could be investing those resources. The second mistake puts you at the opposite end of the spectrum, and that's expecting that data and analytics can solve all of your problems. It's overestimating the limits of the information that you have. At this end of the spectrum, people take information they get out of a business intelligence report or the results of an analysis, and they rush full steam ahead with taking action on it, asking no questions whatsoever. They expect data analytics tools to fix all of their problems. While data and analytics can help you improve your business, grow your profits, reduce your costs, they also operate in the context of the question that's asked of them. So you can't just blindly assume that no matter what question you ask of it, the results you get should immediately have action taken on them. That leads us to how to avoid these 2 mistakes. Avoiding the first mistake, that is underestimating what you can do with your data, is really about taking action. Here's a few questions that you can ask yourself to help you take action on that information. What can I learn from this data? What information surprises me? How can I improve areas that are low performing? Where will I have the most impact for my time or financial investment? And similarly, there's a set of questions that you can ask to make sure you're not overestimating the capabilities and the limits of the data that you're working with. Those questions include, how much of my customer or product portfolio are included in these analytics? What external factors might be impacting these results? Does this make sense with what I thought to be true about my business? If not, ask a few more questions to check if your previous assumptions were wrong or if there's something else to consider in the analysis. Watch out for these mistakes and you'll get a lot more value out of the data and analytics that you're working with within your business. If you need help with leveraging your data, using it to grow your business and improve your results, you can contact me about one-on-one consulting for your business. See the link in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching.